Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 11th video on the sensors. That is my custom GPT. So yesterday while I was talking to one of my students regarding a science project, he was asking me to do some project on Arduino, and I have done some work on Arduino, but I'm not a specialist into it. And he was asking me something like he wishes to do something like create a robot which can actually inject the medicines or maybe some sort of fluid into test tubes, and we have an array of something like 100 cross 100 test tubes. I hope you're understanding what I'm meaning to say. It is nothing but a micro array arrangement. And as a result of it, so he asked me whether we can design something like cassette. And then I thought, okay, why not I design a GPT wherein any kind of complex task can be looked into? Because when I wanted to design that, I had to look really into the Google or maybe the Arduino database and then find out whether something has been already been done. I gave a lot of keywords. It was not so easy for me to do all these things. So I thought maybe a GPT will work, and that is the result of this. So what does the GPT do? GPT actually looks at, okay, what kind of task has been given, and it provides you the right microcontrollers. Some of those may be good in, let us say, the Arduino, some of them in and Raspberry Pi. And it also tells you like what are the programming errors, what are the sensors that you require, what are the specifications of these sensors, and how do you write a program for this. So everything in detail from the starting point to ending point provides. Okay, now let us begin. I'll take up the same program, same task what the student said. So I wish to design a Arduino, Arduino project, Arduino robot, which can inject a small amount of fluid. How many? Let us say, for example, 1 ml. 1 ml for each test tube. I have a cassette which has 100 into 100 test tubes kept in a rectangular array. I'm giving you only so much. Okay, let us see what does it give. So designing an Arduino-based automated fluid injection into test tubes arranged is interesting and challenging clock. Okay, fine. So what is the microcontroller selection? We have used an Arduino. So number of pins. Okay, fine. Mechanical design XY positioning system. So how you need to do it? That's been given over here. Fluid injection mechanism. Okay. Then what is the sensor that you need to put it across? And we should have a pump, a peristaltic pump can be used for fluid injection. It should be controlling continuously. Then the positioning sensor should be done, circuit design and motor drivers. And then we should design a circuit. Of course, it does not give you a circuit over here. So you need to look for a circuit, power supply, safety precautions, testing, calibration. Okay, it has also given you the code. Let me ask after this code something else. Okay. I need to, okay, so it has given me the code. I just need to input this code into the Arduino software so that it can easily do it. Okay, now what I need is, I need the circuit details. Give me a complete pinout diagram. It may not be able to give the pinout diagram because it's not connected to any software. So what I will do is, I will not ask this question. Pinout scheme of connection. Okay. Creating a circuit to involve several components. Here's a basic outline, Arduino Mega, stepper motors. Okay, so it has given you the specifications, circuit overview. Okay, now it gives you. So pin 2, pin 3, where it should be given, and so on. So once, if you are aware about how to do this, then definitely doing this should not be a very difficult thing. Okay, now let us see, has it completed? No, it's still doing it. Okay. General tips. So how you should do it? What is the safety precaution that you need to take it? And then Yes. You might need to consider specific models of the motor, sensors, everything. See how nicely it has been giving you everything. Okay, so with this, we come to an end for this video. If you want to know more details about this, you can actually try this. The link for trying this particular GPT is already available below the video in the description box. You can have a look at it. You can try it out. And if you find this good, do comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Every day, I will be putting one GPT. So today, this will also be available. Thank you. Thank you for watching this. So keep safe and be in touch. Thank you.